Hello beautiful people, let's make this easy homemade ice cream. This ice cream is straightforward and doesn't have lots of ceremonies. Here I have 3 small bananas and 2 small mangoes. I'll peel off the back of the bananas and I'm going to cut this into small chunks. And I'll put this inside a freezer safe plate. This ice cream is guilt-free. Is also artificial sugar free. I'll also peel off the back of the mangoes. You can use any species of mangoes that is available to you or the one you prefer. Now this ice cream has no cream, it has no sugar, it has no milk. It's completely healthy and you're going to enjoy this. You can use any quantity of bananas or mangoes you want. Our mangoes here are seasonal, and sometimes I get a lot and I don't know what to do with all of them, and this is a very easy recipe that everyone in the family enjoys. And also we'll cut out the fleshy part of the mangoes, cut out as much fleshy part as you can, and we'll also slice this into small chunks. This ice cream is very good during summer periods or hot weather periods. I will pack it alongside the bananas in a freezer safe plate. I will cover this with a tight lid and send this to the freezer for up to 2 hours. Sending it to the freezer will help it to have volume and not be watery when it's blended. And this is 2 hours later. We are going to blend this gently to form a paste. So if you prefer, you can serve and enjoy this immediately, and it's so nice, so yummy, so healthy. So I sent mine back to the freezer for up to 2 hours so that I can be able to scoop it with my ice cream scoop and have the ice cream balls. And trust me, this tasted so good. This is healthy. You don't have any guilt while taking this ice cream. Thank you to you all my subscribers for always checking out my videos. If you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like and share my videos and get amazing content like this. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.